How clean is your water tank? Is it as pure as you'd like it to be? The truth is, water tanks, an essential part of both residential and commercial buildings, can become a breeding ground for bacteria, debris, and harmful contaminants over time. This can pose a serious risk to your health and the health of those around you. That's where professional water tank cleaning services come into play. Now you might wonder, why not just clean it yourself? Well, it's not that simple. Professional cleaning services, like those provided by Asianet Group, specialize in maintaining the hygiene of water storage containers. Our trained technicians understand the importance of strict cleaning protocols. They have the knowledge, experience, and specialized equipment required to effectively clean and maintain your water storage systems. You see, regular cleaning of water tanks is crucial for your health and safety. Tanks can harbor potentially harmful microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Without proper cleaning, these contaminants can enter your water supply and cause various waterborne diseases. But with professional water tank cleaning services, these risks can be effectively mitigated, ensuring you have clean and safe water. But it's not just about health. Regular cleaning and maintenance also prolong the lifespan of your water tanks. Sediment, rust, and other debris can lead to deterioration over time. By removing these harmful substances, we can prevent corrosion and extend the lifespan of your water storage systems. Dirty water tanks can also compromise the quality of your stored water. Have you ever noticed your water appearing cloudy, tasting unpleasant, or emitting a foul odor? That's likely due to impurities in your tank. By thoroughly cleaning your tanks, we can remove these impurities, resulting in improved water quality and taste. And let's not forget about preventive maintenance. Regular cleaning helps identify potential problems for early intervention. Our professional cleaners are trained to spot signs of damage, leaks, or corrosion during the cleaning process. By identifying these issues early on, we can conduct prompt repairs, minimizing the risk of extensive damage and costly repairs in the future. In conclusion, professional water tank cleaning services are vital in maintaining the cleanliness, hygiene, and safety of your water storage systems. With our expertise, you can ensure the provision of clean and safe water, while also enjoying the benefits of extended tank lifespan, improved water quality, and compliance with health and safety regulations. So don't wait until it's too late. Trust the professionals for this essential task. Allow Asianet Group's tank cleaning team to take the burden of water tank maintenance off your shoulders. Focus on the other important aspects of your life or business and leave the cleanliness of your water to us. Your health, safety, and satisfaction are our top priorities.